Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
Until 2 p.m. At 11:03 a.m., radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling over the entire island of Oahu. Rain was falling at a rate of up to 3 inches per hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding in drainages, streams, rivers, roads, properties, and other low-lying areas. Public road closures possible in some areas. Landslides are possible in steep terrain. Stay away from streams, rivers, drainage ditches, and culverts, even if they are currently dry. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding, streets, highways, properties, and other low-lying spots.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.